Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Ryan. If you get this message that your Adobe Flash Player is blocked and right-clicking on your screen doesn't allow it to play, this video is going to show you how to allow it to unblock the Flash Player. You go up to where this lock symbol is, this little padlock, and you click it. It's going to open a menu. Now, the menu will have an area you can scroll down to Site Settings. Open the Site Settings and then scroll to where you see the little puzzle piece that says Flash. Next to it, it'll say Block. Click that little down arrow and then select Allow. Once you do that, you can go back to the tab where the game was, and you'll see a message to tell you to reload. And the website will reload, and you'll be able to play the game.